Meet Michelle.
She loves animals.
Puppy!
You animal hater! Nerd!
Stand yellow.
Are you yellow? Oh yes you are. I love yellow. Oh yes. Yellow. Oh yes.
Nerd!
Oh no!
She's strong.
Oh yes. Yes, strong. Yes.
Hey Michelle! Catch!
Cool ball.
Nerd! She's an amazing international world-recognized gymnast.
Gymnast? I can't do gymnastics.
We have some top secret tape of her last competition. And she won! Nerd!
Where did you get that?
I found it underneath all your books and stuff.
You were in my house?
Yeah. Nerd! Michelle's always been so strong. She was even able to bounce back after her parents' untimely death.
Death? My parents are still alive.
No, they died from a hurricane
What hurricane?
in Iraq.
My parents never went to Iraq. What? They're still alive.
Nerd! Your parents are dead!